Okay, so time is 11. We started our early morning ride at I guess 7:25, but it is 11:03 and I'm still in this dusty area. My chain will become fully dirty, so I'll have to clean it properly next time too, because these dust particles are not very good for our chain. I want to reach the highway first, then I'm thinking I will make a video about how and why to clean and lube your chain. Welcome back. Finally I have reached to the diversion where Google Map wasted my 45 minutes by sending me to some jungle. Oh man, what a view. Hope my camera will be doing justice. So today I will talk about how and why to clean and lube your chain properly. So first thing is why. So nowadays most of the high-end bikes, I guess all of them, the chain is open chain, like it is not covered, and due to that the wear and tear due to external things like rust or dust, like all these things, wear and tear can be higher than the covered chain. And I know, like, companies know this, and they make the chain with much better metallurgy, but still, because these chains are open and these are for high performance, so we have to take care of them. And then as we will maintain it better, our bike will be more reliable. If you will not maintain it, maybe there can be some case that your sprocket will wear out early. This is the why part. So, and why I am talking about this, because yesterday I cleaned my chain again. So the first thing is, the first step in cleaning your chain is the step 0, I will say. Get out of your lazy zone. So after that you need basically two things. First thing, a degreaser. As the name suggests, anything which will remove the grease, because whenever you go for a service or when you yourself lube your chain, that lube after like certain period of time with environmental substances like dirt and mud and all those things, it becomes a blackish material. To degrease, there are different school of thoughts, but I will say what people use or what I use. So you can use kerosene to degrease any surface. I'm not saying you can use it on chain or not, that will be totally your decision. So kerosene, diesel also is a good degreaser. WD-40 also works. So diesel, so kerosene, diesel, WD-40, and after that chain lube from chain cleaner from any good brand, they also work well. And what I use diesel, and different people have different thoughts. I may agree with some of them and I may not, but some people say that diesel, kerosene and WD-40, those are very harsh for our chain surface, because our chain contains some seals. So those seals are for the actual lubricant like the X-ring seals or O-ring seals. Those are there to stop anything coming inside in contact with the a lubricant, and that lubricant, it should be kept inside that compartment only. So some people say that diesel, kerosene and WD-40, these are very harsh for those rings, and it can seep in through those seals, and it can also degrease the lubricant, which should not be touched or should not be degreased, like the inside one. So you can check the Fort9 video. I will paste the link, or I will put something. Fort9 is a very good channel if you want to know about motorcycles. He talks about different things. So where it did a lot of tests, and of the degreasers, those were really bad and some were really good. But as he lives in Europe, I guess, and there he has lot more options to choose from, and the quality of products is better there. So yes, he can choose. But then I also follow one good influencer, MotoZoomer, and he gave a practical advice. Even if what the heck that guy is doing, he will just crash, and he's doing that thing in bullet. He will crash and he will break his legs. So that MotoZoomer guy, he just told that I use diesel, and then he gave a very good explanation. Diesel is cheap, first thing, like 100 rupee per liter, works very good as a degreaser, not harsh as kerosene. And if, let's say, there is some damage, he himself experimented with it, and he just told that using just chain cleaner versus using just diesel, he never found out any difference in the life of chains. So I am following him, and I'm using diesel from very long time. It works well, it degreases any surface, sprockets, chains. So I guess we are good on degreaser part. So you will open your front sprocket cover, you will get a brush. You can buy any brush from online or Amazon, or I'm using an old toothbrush. And one good advice which I give to everyone, that chain cleaning should be clubbed with your bike cleaning, because it makes a lot of sense. If you will clean your chain, you will use diesel or any kind of chain cleaner, it will put some stains on your rim. You can use that soap and all those things to clean those stains when you will be cleaning. So get a brush, open your front sprocket cover, and check. See my video. Like, I was also shocked. And apply a lot of diesel on these extra gunky surface or grimy surface. And also you can buy one spray and you can spray the diesel. It will cost you like 30-40 rupees in DMart or any good place. So after 1 or 2 round of going on all of the surface of any degreaser, your surface will be clean. And as you are cleaning your bike, you will, or what I did, I sprayed water over the cleaned chain, so that any extra degreaser or any extra residue, that can also get cleaned. So step 1 is done. Now in step 2, just clean your bike, because now we cannot directly apply lube on the top of it and then we can clean. Just clean your bike, clean your rims. So when all of your surfaces will be dry, and you will be applying polish, so that your bike will shine. Ka-ching. So when you will be applying polish, you can apply your lubricant at that time. So now the first thing, there is a misconception in people. Actual purpose of lubricant is not exactly lubing the chain. It is there because there are metal surfaces going over on the top of one another, so any lubricant will help. The main benefit of using a chain lube is rust prevention. Yeah, I will say rust prevention is the best use, and also it increases the sprocket teeth life. That what people say, but I disagree, because any lube which you will apply will just wear off very quickly when you will use your bike. But yeah, I can be wrong too. And also the noises. A well lubed chain is, it will make lot less noises. That too, I guess, maybe for first week, till the point the lube is over the chain, lube is on the chain. But yeah, main thing is rust prevention. Other thing is like, yeah, all these small things. And the sprocket wear and tear, sprocket teeth, it can increase that life too, but I think it will be very negligent. I can be wrong too. Yeah, and real lubricant lies inside those rollers, which is there by the manufacturer. My thumb rule is clean and lube your chain every 500 kilometers or every month. And if your environment is very dirty, like lot of sand, so then that 1 month timing has to be checked according to your uses, and that 500 kilometer too can be become like 300 kilometers or 250 kilometers. Keep your chain in proper tension. For that, you can either learn it yourself, or you can go to a service center, they will do it for you. So the chain cannot be too tight or cannot be too loose. Both the things are not good for the chain. Keep it wet by lubing it properly. Keep it clean your front sprocket. Yeah, that's it, I guess. It will maintain the life of your chain. And then ride your bike with full protection, follow the rules.